sun finish. Fanny's had a great game, just could not. Then comes the overhead pass. And that goes certainly.
Baloucoune, there's a hole there for Baloucoune, and he's clean through. The support is there. Backwards. Furious stuff here from Ulster. McCloskey, John Andrew.
Anderson and Baloucoune chase for the lines.
Lines but narrow defence. There could be panic, and it is.
Around the back comes Baloucoune, and there is a bit of space, and if you offer him a bit of space he can do this jigging one way, then the other, then the gas.
Oh my goodness, how well did Lowry do to employ Baloucoune once again? And look at Baloucoune, he's got Lowry to the right, he's got Dunk to the left.
Don't always execute it. The chip to begin with was absolutely spot on from Hutchinson. His hands were in the right position to take it. Well judged kick, and Baloucoune does very well to keep the ball in play. Yeah, that's on the... What can Arundel do?
Oh, what an offload! What an offload from Manny! That's just beautiful. The chicken wing pass or whatever you call it. But he's had his pocket picked by Julian. It went backwards, it's picked up by Baloucoune. Leggings! It's not quite as quick, Rory, as the 90 seconds he took to get there. Dingwall to Tom Curry, Arundel. This is Baloucoune, Rob Baloucoune, fast wheels, and he does well.
Baloucoune against Arundel. But look at Tommy O'Brien, 20.
It's quite big. Ulster huffing, and they're puffing.
Such a high ceiling. Neither Baloucoune off.
You just can't buy pace like that, Jim.
Here is Baloucoune, and he's off on his own, he's got to score here.
Dingwall steps in then, he stays on Doris when he shouldn't have done.
Oh, the intercept from Baloucoune, and nobody will get near him.
John Cooney, little flick on from Michael Lowry to Robert.
The beautiful flick pass, Michael Lowry finishes it off. Brilliant stuff.
He has a real chance now, and he has an opportunity there. Solid defence, absorbing the pressure coming from.
And now Burns to Baloucoune. Baloucoune has gone round the outside of his mouth.
On his shoulder, really good work from Ireland. Decent effort to get back.
Oh. Bueno, es
Uno de los jugadores más importantes, si no el más importante de esta selección.
Working in and just times his pass beautifully.
Very slow to get back to his feet.
Nice, sends one across, oh that could work out very nicely.
McCloskey! And here goes Rob Baloucoune. This season could see it. He's been that good. Off goes Baloucoune. Sixth. Did he make a second movement there? No, he didn't. The try is scored.
I see that at the momentum is not. He's not.
Buscar la superioridad por este derecho, que la va a encontrar.
And Baloucoune.
Here's McElroy. Finds Baloucoune. Good work. Support from the trail runner. Shanahan. 6'4" scrum half. They are finding it.
Shanahan switches to the right hand side. Burns, long floating pass to the outside. And Robert Baloucoune.
Defence, but Gibson Park held up.
to be a try. Freddie Stewart, it's a good call, but Jamison Gibson Park makes it work anyway.
One's been done by Laurie, he's got Baloucoune with him. Baloucoune puts the foot down.
Steams in the corner.
Murphy, long pass out wide, could be the one, the head trick gets it.
Hume, he's opened up some space here for McCluskey, who's striding forwards. Options left and right. Baloucoune.
Oh, Stockdale now with Baloucoune outside, and Baloucoune strides for the line.
You could see where his eyes were going. Here is Timoney.
Just short this time. Doug with a short ball. Wonderful. There's a penalty coming. Sure. Baloucoune. Cooney again. Swift transfer. Baloucoune is in.
Cooney, now Stuart McCluskey. Into Baloucoune.
Numbers Murphy, the pass picked up brilliantly.
The playmaker to allow Johnston McCluskey. He's Baloucoune.
And through the hands of Burns. On here for Ulster and Baloucoune. It was on penalty advantage.
Baloucoune, he's walking these in all day long.